reaching as many qualified people across the state of Arkansas as possible to let them know this is coming. And then below that is a grassroots level, much like you do in a campaign where you go in and you create localized advertising, whether it's outdoor, whether it's local newspaper, or whether it's direct mail, to really create another point of awareness with that person. This campaign works as Mr. Bradford said, at a couple of different levels, using multimedia across a rather large geographic area. Arkansas seems like a small place, but when you begin to break it down and look at all of the cities and all of the different places that we have to reach, there are a number of different ways that we have to mix that media with media bots to do that. In some cases, direct mail is the best way to reach a town that may not have the greatest TV coverage.
Do you think that they would get more information from those mailers than they would their local newspaper? And the reason I ask you that is I've been to a dozen small town hall meetings concerning this, and by the way, I did get a lot of calls, and I got a lot of text messages and emails, and not one of them asked me to support this in my district. And I was chosen to represent my district. But do you think that people don't get a lot of this information from their local newspaper through the articles that are run that cost absolutely nothing?
I do believe that they get some information from their local newspaper, but as you know, being a consumer, you get information from